Hey guys, this is Maria from SheWaySocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to upload longer videos on Instagram Reels. Instagram doubles the length of Reels videos you can upload, taking it from 15 to 30 seconds. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can do it. Log into your Instagram account and go to the Home tab. Swipe right or hit your story in the top left corner of the screen. When the camera window opens, press on Reels at the bottom. After that, find the length icon on the left-hand side and click on it. As you see, you can choose from 15 or 30 seconds. In order to upload a longer video, select the 30 seconds option. Also, you can add music, change speed, apply a filter, or set a timer. When you are ready to start recording a video, hit the record button. Tap the arrow button. Now you can edit your video by inserting stickers, drawing or writing something. After that, click on the arrow button one more time. The only thing left to do is to upload a video, so simply press on the share button. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to upload longer videos on Instagram Reels. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at SheWaySocial.com.